Earth changes. What is our planet made of? How is Earth changing? We live on the planet Earth. Earth is a huge sphere or ball shape. This is how it looks if you could see it from space. It is covered with water, rocks, and soil. The blue areas are the water. Almost all of the water is found in oceans. The largest bodies of land are called continents. We live on the continent called North America. All of Earth is covered with a rocky skin called the crust. The crust is many miles thick. It is found under both the oceans and the continents. The crust is made up of many huge rock pieces called plates. Under the crust, the inside of Earth is very, very hot. Earth's surface is always changing. Some of these changes happen suddenly. Let's see what kinds of things can cause sudden changes to Earth's surface. An earthquake is the shaking of the ground. Most earthquakes are caused by huge pieces of rock, Earth's plates, moving under the surface of the Earth. Big pieces of Earth's crust, its outer shell, suddenly break and shift. Earthquakes can cause great damage. They can change the surface of the Earth by breaking hillsides apart and opening huge cracks in the ground. Volcanoes also change Earth. A volcano is a hole or crack in the ground. Sometimes volcanoes erupt or explode. Hot rocks and gas shoot out of the volcano. An eruption is an amazing sight. Glowing rivers of lava often flow down the sides of the volcano. Lava is hot, melted rock. As lava cools, it hardens. Some lava hardens into rock. Sometimes, many eruptions leave so much rock that a mountain is formed. Other changes happen slowly. Water and wind cause rocks and earth to wear away. These forces also move bits of rocks and soil to new places. This movement changes the shape of the land. This process is called erosion. Over many years, water and wind can make great changes. For example, erosion caused by flowing water carved the Grand Canyon in the Southwest out of hard rock. Wind constantly carries sand and other small bits of earth from one place to another. It blows soil off dry farmland. As wind throws sand and soil at rock, the shape of the rock slowly changes. In some places, great sheets of ice called glaciers move slowly down the mountains. They carry rocks and soil with them. When the glaciers melt, they leave the rocks and soil behind. Other changes happen slowly because Earth's plates are always moving. The plates glide along slowly on a layer of very hot rock. In some places, the plates bump into each other, and this creates mountains. In other places, the plates move apart. This causes new crust to form. Long ago, the drifting plates moved Earth's continents to where they are today. Scientists who study Earth believe that long ago there was only one huge continent. There was only one ocean. Then the plates that formed the one continent began to drift apart. The continent slowly split into two continents, and then very slowly into the 7 continents we have today. The movement of the continents to where they are now took place over many years. What an amazing planet we live on, and it is going to keep changing, in fast ways and in slow ways.